Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine photos together on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your app library and go to the search bar and type in shortcuts. This is a built-in iOS application. Simply click on shortcuts and then you're going to click on edit or the plus icon at the top right. After that, you'll be able to see new shortcut. You're going to click on it and you can rename it to whatever name you want. For example, I'm going to type in the name combine photos. And after that, you're going to click on this check icon. And then you're going to search for actions. So first, you're going to select the photos and then you're going to combine them. And then finally, you have to save them. So first, search for the action of selecting photos. So I'm going to type in select and then you're going to click on select photos right over here. And then you're going to click on this arrow. And then you're going to toggle this button on for selecting multiple photos. After that, you're going to click on search actions again and search for combine. Here, you'll be able to see combine images. Click on it, and then you're going to select the way you want to combine. You're going to click on horizontally right over here, and then you can select either horizontally, vertically, or grid. I'm going to select in a grid in order to create a collage. And then you're going to search for actions again and search for save. And here, you're going to click on save to photos, and you can simply select the folder where you wish to save. I'm going to leave it to recents. And now you have created a shortcut. You can simply go back by clicking on this button, and here you'll be able to see a new shortcut made. You can simply click on this shortcut, and then you're going to simply select the photos that you wish to combine. For example, I'm going to select these 4, and then you're going to click on this check mark right over here, and then it's going to process, and you'll be able to see a check mark appear. You can go back to your gallery, and you'll be able to see the new collage or the combined photos that we have just created. And well, that is basically how you can combine photos together on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.